Minnesota lawmakers are back at the Capitol for a session dominated by the coronavirus pandemic.
And we want to go to our political reporter, Theo Keith, who's at the Capitol for day one. And Theo, in almost every way, things looked a lot different.
No doubt about that. This Capitol Rotunda here, it's usually filled with protesters and activists on day one. It is off limits to the public at least through March. Even without the public here, though, there was still plenty of tension as session kicks off. Instead of galleries filled with proud families, lawmakers took their oaths of office in front of mostly empty rooms. Many were simply sworn in over video. Some tweeted behind-the-scenes photos.
Members, the 2021 COVID adventure begins.
In the Senate, 8 Republicans took the floor without a mask. Despite a November outbreak in their ranks, the death of a Republican senator last month, and a commitment to safety from the party's leader. Democrat Matt Klein, a medical doctor, scolded the unmasked.
Not only does it create risk for our neighbors, but it sets a bad example of leadership in an area where easy and good leadership would be so simple to do. A mask on the face, showing our constituents that this is serious.
The divided state legislature starts its session in a locked Capitol surrounded by a security fence. Another COVID battle over Governor Tim Walz's emergency powers looms. Republicans' latest frustration that Walz is loosening his ban on indoor dining, but waiting until Wednesday to announce how.
If you know, tell us today. Don't wait for this big, grand premiere opening or showing that you might want to have at 2 o'clock on a Wednesday. Do it now.
Democratic leaders say they're willing to change parts of Minnesota's emergency powers law, but vow to block any attempt to fully strip the governor of his powers.
We are not going to sacrifice the lives of Minnesotans for the sake of a bipartisan agreement with people who do not care about the lives of Minnesotans.
The major news of the week here at the Capitol will happen tomorrow when Governor Walz announces exactly how he will roll back his executive order that has closed more than 10,000 businesses, or at least forced many of them to severely cut back their operations. That announcement happening at 2 o'clock here tomorrow. We're live from the Capitol tonight. Theo Keith, Fox 9.